Summary. Finally, you have reached the end of this course, and these were the topics that you have learned throughout this course. First, you have seen what is immediate assertion and concurrent assertion, what is the main difference between them. As you know, both are differentiated by using this keyword in the assertion statement, which is property. So a simple assert statement is an immediate assertion statement, and assert property statement would be a concurrent assertion statement. And next, you have learned cycle implication operators. You have seen two types of operators, which is used to evaluate the next expression either in the same cycle or in the next cycle. Then you have seen sampled value function like $rows, $file, etc. In the second part of this course, you have seen sequences. So you have seen sequences and sequence expression. Before learning sequences, you have seen that what all features are available in Systemverilog to write assertions. So you have seen the basic building block of all assertions are Boolean expressions, and by using Boolean expression you can compose sequences, and by using sequences you can compose properties, and by using properties you can write assertions. This is not always true, but eventually if you look at any assertions, all of them are some kind of property, whether it is implicitly defined or explicitly defined. Then you have seen that all sequences are made with sequence expressions, cycle delay operators, and repetition operators. You have learned in detail that there are different varieties of operators that is possible, operations that is possible with cycle delay operators and repetition operators. And you have also learned consecutive, non-consecutive, and go-to repetition expressions. And by using all of these, you are able to build more complex sequences that is required to specify the complex behavior of the DUT. Congratulations, you have successfully completed this course. I hope this course was relevant for you and you have learned a lot from this. And also would really appreciate if you could leave your honest review in Udemy about this course. Thank you very much for enrolling this course. All the best.